Yeah. Yeah, it's playing loud music, so it's going to be kind of quiet video. We're at Granite Street Rodders. Second time out. Like I said, it's been a rough couple of weeks. I want to thank everybody again for all their condolences, and like I said, I can't answer them all, so I want to thank everybody. Love this Ford. I brought the Mustang tonight. Get some miles on it. I got to get 1,000 miles on it to break it in. Here's Hot Rod Bob's. This is a beautiful truck. Here's Bill Analysis, 38. Beautiful. Nice Cobra. Here's one of Mark Grenier's.
Hey Billy.
How you doing, Mark?
Sorry to hear about.
Yeah, I know. It's been a rough couple of
I
weeks.
bet it has. I know I don't want to go through it.
Oh, never
Sorry
again.
for you, boy.
Here's Dan and Amy's. Dan and Tony's. Here's Rogers and Tammy's. And a nice shoebox.
So many people missing. I gave them. I gave it to It's what, really? 65.
What, the camera? Yeah. A nice 59 two-door.
Where do you get something like that?
Daytona. GTX, nice. Be Still My Heart, 427, dog dish hubcaps and all. Here's Billy Ward's and his nephew's Camaro.
Why don't we give some stuff away, shall we? Okay, let's see. We're going to away. We want to give away. Let's give away a bucket of cleaning product. Okay. Donated by. I think this came from AutoZone. Please get it. Came from AutoZone. Here's a bucket to keep your car clean. Last four numbers are 4262.
Hey, Billy.
4262. You want a bucket?
How you doing, Billy?
Good, how you doing? Hanging in there.
She's waving her hands down there. Here comes Tony right now. He's won a bucket of cleaning product. Give that back.
Huh? Good flame job on. I like that.
A 6-pack of oil. 6-pack of oil. This was donated by Napa. Napa up in Salmonsville. 6-pack of oil. 4310. 4310. 6-pack of oil.
Whoa.
Napa up in Salmonsville. All quality prizes. We got homemade.
55 for sale.
This is like the same exact thing he had.
4310. Look at your numbers, please. 4310. Somebody may be down getting food. 310. Okay, Mary gets it. That's 6-pack of oil for us.
Nice 427 vet at 67. It
We'll be
sounded
back in a
good
few
coming
minutes
in.
and we'll give away some more items. There's still plenty of items up here to give away. Please come on up and purchase some tickets. You can't win if you don't buy. We'll be back in a few minutes.
Seacoast Oldies 1043 and always
Ranchero.
at seacoastoldies.com. It's my tea with you on Saturday afternoon and a nice one. Unlike all
Nice
the
T-bird.
substations, we're going to take a little trip to Broadway and we'll have a song kicking in about film. Stick around.
You're hungry. You're craving a Shane's Maine lobster roll. Good thing you're one of those individuals who prepares for crises like this. You open the fridge there.
Well, you don't see 60s around too often.
Could have had it with butter I wanted. Your craving is about to be taken care of. The Shane's Maine lobster roll survival kit, $9.99 every day. A necessity. Don't be home without it. Shane's Maine, 1491 Main Street in Stanford.
So, you have some land and you need a tractor.
Here's a stock 64 and here's a custom 64.
Subcompact, compact, utility. How many horsepower? Which implements do you need? Sounds overwhelming, but your local Coyote tractor dealer can help. Not only with figuring out what you need, but with a great deal on a Coyote tractor you will love for a long, long time. Find a Coyote dealer near you.
See your new Coyote tractor at Batch Elder Sales, 1511 Carl Brogy Highway in Lebanon, Maine.
Anyone can choose to make a difference. You can help people succeed, rebuild after disasters,
I like the monochromatic
protect the
look.
environment, or feed the hungry. Not only will you make a difference for others, but for yourself. You can earn money for college, learn career skills, and make friendships that last a lifetime. Make a difference. Choose your future. Choose AmeriCorps.
A message from this station and the Maine Association.
It helps you move them.
Wow, it worked, guys.
Downy Rinse and Refresh removes more odor in one wash than the leading value detergent in 3 washes. Find it wherever you buy laundry products.
Here's Papa John's. I heard this guy bought this brand new back in '63. Whoop.
Go ahead.
No, it's okay, I got it.
I'm just gonna move that speaker. How's Rick, by the way?
Huh?
How's Rick?
Good. Good.
Terrible.
Here's Billy's Grand National. Here's Bob and Leanne's Riviera. How you doing? Hey, Dan. All right.
Pretty quiet.
Huh?
Wow,
There's Jerry and Gunk.
Everyone's going.
That way they ain't gonna walk after him. I can take a picture.
Yeah.
But never again. I ain't going through this again.
Really?
Oh no.
That's what my father, my father would say.